Hello Boomer Tech Show family, welcome back to another episode where we make technology simple and fun for our wonderful senior community. Today we're exploring the top 8 features in iOS 17 that can make using your iPhone even more enjoyable. Let's dive in. Now, in order to benefit from these features, you will need to update to iOS 17 on your iPhone. Alright, so let's start with feature number 1. Enhanced Spotlight Search. Spotlight Search has become even more powerful in iOS 17. You can now search for photos by what's in them. Here's how you can use it. So what you want to do is you want to swipe down on your home screen to open Spotlight Search. Now type in what you're looking for, like beach photos. And Spotlight will show you all of the photos that you have that match that description. Isn't that fantastic? Now on to number 2. Interactive widgets. Widgets are now interactive. You can play music, check off reminders, or control your smart home devices right from your widget without opening the app. Here's how to set it up. So take your finger, press and hold down on the screen, and the widgets will begin to jiggle. Tap on plus, and then go down and choose a widget that you would like. Hold the widget and drop it. Now you have an interactive widget that you can do different things from directly on the home screen without even opening up the widget. That's so widgetful. Okay, I made that one up. Now let's look at number 3. Live text in videos. Live text now works in videos. You can pause any video and highlight a text to copy or translate it. Here's how to do it. Play any video and pause where you see text. Now tap and hold the text to highlight it. You'll notice copy, select all, look up, and other options will appear, such as translate. Say I want to translate it. Hit translate. And I want to translate it in Spanish.
Guía de bienvenida. Banco de Energía INU marca registrada BIB61.
And there you have it. Now you can fully customize your control center. Add, remove, and rearrange controls to suit your needs. Here's the step-by-step process. So you want to go to settings, and then you want to scroll down to where it says control center and tap on it. Now you have all of these different features that you can add to your control center. For example, if you want to take some features away from your control center, you tap the minus sign and then you tap remove, and now it will disappear from your control center. Now if you want to bring that feature back, you simply go back down. You simply go down and you tap the plus, and now you'll notice that it's added. If you want to rearrange where they are on your control center, you just simply take this and you drag it to whatever spot you want to, and you drop it. Now when you go to your control center by swiping down, now you'll notice that they're all in your control center, easily customizable. Tip number 5, focus mode enhancements. Focus mode is now smarter. It can automatically activate based on your location or time of day. Here's how to set it up. You want to go to settings, and then you want to tap on focus mode. Choose a focus mode like do not disturb, and then tap on it. Now you can set a schedule by tapping add, and I'm going to set time from on Saturdays and Sundays from 9 a.m. until 10 a.m. because that's when I work out, and hit done. And you tap home, hit done. Now you have set up a focus mode not to disturb you from 9 to 10 a.m. at your home on Saturdays and Sundays. iOS 17 enhances your privacy. You can now see which apps have access to your location, microphone, and camera in the last 24 hours. Go to settings, type in privacy and security, tap on tracking. Now this shows you exactly which apps are tracking you, and you can easily turn them off if you want to. You can turn them all off by simply tapping this. Allow apps to continue tracking, ask apps to stop tracking. Tap it. Now all of the apps that are tracking you will no longer be tracking you. If you want to know which applications are trying to access certain things, you just tap on. Tap on microphone. Now these are all of the apps that are using my microphone or want access to my microphone. Amazon, ChatGPT, TikTok, WhatsApp, or whatever. So if you don't want these to have access to your microphone, you simply turn it off. Go back. So these are some nice features that you have on your phone in iOS 17 that will give you more privacy and hopefully more safety. Tip number 7. Safari now supports extensions just like on your computer. You can add extensions to block ads, manage passwords, and more. Here's how to add them. So go to Safari and tap on it. Now, tap the AA icon in the address bar. Now, if you want to add an extension, you simply tap on Manage Extension. Now you can go through here and add extensions to your Safari. Say, for example, if I wanted to add Grammarly, or they want me to download it, so I'll tap here to download. Now, and hit done. Now the Grammarly extension is added to my Safari, which means that if I write something or any type of text, it will automatically check the grammar for me, which is a nice feature to have. And now to number 8, our final one. Visual lookup is now more powerful. It can recognize landmarks, art, plants, and pet breeds in your photos. Here's how to use it. Swipe on your photo. In the bottom corner, tap the eye icon, which is the info button, and you'll notice it says dog. So it has effectively recognized exactly what is on my screen. So you can use this for pets, for animals, for plants, even for landmarks. This is a nice feature to have because it gives you access to instant information if you want to know something specifically about an item that you're looking at. And there you have it. The top 8 hidden features in iOS 17. Give them a try and let us know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to never miss an episode of the Boomers Tech Show. Thanks for watching. I'm Bertrand, and hopefully you'll see me in the next video.